Good day, everyone. One of our clients is from manufacturing industry. Their machine has break down recently. It costs them a lot of money each day to not be able to run this machine and operate their site. Therefore, they engaged ACE to come to site to troubleshoot the control systems. Our engineers took on the challenge, went to the site, and diagnosed the issue for our clients. They went through the logic step by step within the PLC code, and they worked with the client's electrician to troubleshoot, to find out the faulty equipment, to discover where the fault is, to eliminate the possibility of the breakdown points. At the end of the day, they managed to get a machine up and running. Our clients and business owner were over the moon. They're very happy with the result and happy with the prompt response from ACE. They're also happy with the unique customer experience we have provided to them over the course of the period. Therefore, how to create a better client's experience is one of our top priority within our business. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope it will also help you to give you some glimpse into our daily operation and our engineering capability as well. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, follow us. If you have any specific engineering questions, please leave a comment, send us email, give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you out. See you next time. Thank you.